The dispenser of your WM5000 and WM9000 is conveniently located on the top of your washer, making it easy for you to separate your detergent and products into 4 compartments: main wash, pre-wash, bleach, and softener. To access the dispenser, push the sliding lid. Always use high-efficiency detergent with your washing machine. Never exceed the manufacturer's recommended amount when adding detergent. When using liquid detergent, make sure the liquid detergent cup is in place. When using powdered detergent, remove the liquid detergent cup and pour the powder in the main wash compartment. Otherwise, the powdered detergent will not dispense with the cup in place. When using the pre-wash option, add liquid or powdered detergent to this compartment. The amount of detergent for the pre-wash option is half the amount of recommended detergent for the main wash cycle. If using bleach, use the manufacturer's recommended amount and do not exceed the maximum fill line. Do not add powder or liquid color-safe bleach. Never pour bleach directly onto the load or into the tub. If using fabric softener, dilute it with warm water. Use manufacturer's recommended amount and do not exceed the maximum fill line. Never pour fabric softener directly onto the load or into the tub. Once you added the proper amount of detergent and products, pull the sliding lid to close it. Once you have selected the appropriate wash cycle, briefly hold the play pause button to start washing your laundry. The washing machine will ring a melody upon completion. It is recommended to clean the detergent dispenser once a week to prevent a buildup of scales. Remove the detergent dispenser covers and pull out the detergent cups. Use warm water and a soft cloth or brush to clean and remove any residue. Dry them with a towel or cloth. Finally, replace the detergent cups and dispenser covers.